For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Bengaluru's lakes have been under NGT's scanner as they have been polluted and have been in the news for all the wrong reasons. Belandur, Vartur and Agara lakes are the ones which are the most polluted in the city and they had to be cleaned up by the Palike, but COVID-19 delayed lake rejuvenation works. NGT passed an order and has now said that leftover work must be completed soon. Leftover work may be expeditiously completed and reviewed by the NGT appointed monitoring committee to oversee the rejuvenation and protection of the three lakes. The tenure of the committee ended on March 31st, 2020, and this recent order implies that the tenure has been extended. The new order also states that a report on the status of compliance as on December 31st, 2020 may be submitted to the NGT by January 15th, 2021 by the monitoring committee. The NGT has also directed the BWSSB to provide details of the steps taken for removing of biological nutrients from sewage. NGT directed the BBMP to survey and notify the stormwater drains for purposes of buffer zones of 50, 25 and 15 meters. NGT had earlier issued an order on December 18, 2019 and had set a deadline for the BWSSB on the work to be completed. The timeline for execution of projects for setting up of STPs and laying of sewage network may not be extended beyond September 30th, 2020. If the works remain incomplete, 10 lakh rupees per STP per month will be liable to be paid as compensation, which may be recovered from the airing officers apart from adverse entries in their service records and other adverse action. Justice Santosh Hegde, who is heading the monitoring committee, said that they would see if the work is in accordance with the directions issued by the NGT in fact and spirit. The committee had submitted a synopsis report to the NGT on March 6, 2020 on implementation of directions by the tribunal by the agencies concerned. The members of Belandur and Vartur Lake Rejuvenation teams state that the NGT order has highlighted the shoddy work of the civic agencies. The recent order clearly showed that all the agencies concerned, including BDA, BWSSB, BBMP, Minor Irrigation Department, and other agencies, had miserably failed to follow the orders of the NGT even after being pulled up time and again. Looking at the gravity of the situation, the NGT should give executive powers to the monitoring committee. Only monitoring power will not suffice to bring all the aspects to track. NGT has set a deadline for the completion of rejuvenation works from September 2020 to March 31st, 2021, or else action will be taken against concerned agencies and officers working on it.